EWPs, whether it's boom, whether it's scissor lift, should be inspected every day prior to use. So what we should be looking for is making sure that the machine's in good condition. Obviously this one we can see that it's quite new. If it was an older machine, then I'm going to be looking for things like hydraulic oil around on different parts of the machine. I'm also going to go in here to the logbook, which should be located here. Take it out, make sure that it is the matching machine. It says that one is. Open it up inside and it tells me who it is. Same information there, and this one being new, obviously has been filled out this morning when they came in and moved it and who it was by. So operator's ticket, so forth. So on a daily basis, this logbook should be filled out. And again, the other part of it is too, on that inspection too, when it turns up the site, or if you're a new operator, making sure, or any operator in fact, is the controls are in good condition. There's no defects around in the work platform, the handrail's all right, the door opens and closes properly with the latch and shuts. All those little things with the machine. If we move over there, one of the other things as we go along, obviously too, ground controls, hydraulics and so forth, making sure that's all in good condition as well. So they're some of the things that we need to make sure on a regular basis, probably daily basis when we're using a machine.